comes into August, I'll be going back to turnarounds. I don't give a shit.
No.
You need both of them or just one? Or what?
Just one. Thank you. Chopper.
All day, Bubba.
Really?
It's a lifelike.
What are you guys working on over here?
It's supposed to be like a power unit.
Okay.
Steam power unit.
Right.
Yes. This shit they brought from been sitting in the yard up in Canada
Right.
for over 10 years. I can't wait till they get this fucking stack done.
How long you think it might take?
I don't know, but when it comes into August, I'll be going back to turnarounds. I don't give a shit.
Gotcha.
Just here to make my paycheck so I get
Yeah, I know that's right.
on somewhere else and get out of here.
Exactly.
If anything goes wrong, the helicopter will probably blow up. You're gonna take out a hospital.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?